How to use the Tokyo Metro, complete beginner's guide. Tokyo's metro system is vast, with over 280 stations and 13 lines serving 8 million riders daily. At first glance, the map seems complex. However, the Tokyo Metro is easy to navigate once explained. That's what I'll do today. Welcome to Noodle and Navigate, your go-to resource for first-time travelers in Asia. In this video, I'll share essential tips on obtaining your transit card, understanding the map, purchasing tickets, boarding correctly, and avoiding the most frequent errors tourists make on the metro. Let's dive in. Suica card before riding. Get an IC card like Suica or Passmo. It's a prepaid travel wallet for trains, buses, and subways in Tokyo. Buy one at airports or major stations via English ticket machines. Load 2,000 to 3,000 yen initially. The card costs 500 yen refundable. Tap in at entry and out at exit. Fares are deducted automatically. No more fumbling for tickets. Money bag Wise Card mention. Use a Wise Card at 7-Eleven ATMs to top up your Suica with 0 foreign transaction fees. Link in description. Reading the map is straightforward, using colors and letters. The Ginza line is orange, G, Yamanote Loop is light green, JY, and Hibiya line is brown, H. Each station has a code. For example, Shibuya is G01, Shinjuku is E27. Knowing the Japanese names isn't necessary, use the letter and number instead. Inside stations, follow colored signs to your platform. Look for your line's color and check the direction by the end station name. All signs are in English. Tickets plus Junior Pass with a Suica card, no need for single trip tickets, it automates everything. If you do need one, check the fare map. Most central Tokyo rides cost 170 to 320 yen. Select the fare, pay, and keep your ticket to exit. Tourists often discard it like a receipt. Keep it until out of the station. Now for the Junior Pass. If staying in Tokyo, a Suica suffices. For Kyoto, Osaka, or Hiroshima trips, a 7-day Junior Pass costs about $390. A round trip from Tokyo to Kyoto is $230 without one. Purchase the Junior Pass before arriving in Japan. It's not sold here. Best price link is in the description. Money bag JR Pass, link number 1 in description. Booking.com Tokyo Hotels, link number 2. Boarding on the platform, find the marked queue lines on the floor, yellow rectangles or footprints. Always queue on the sides of the door, never the center. When the train arrives, step aside and let passengers off first before you board. This is a firm social rule in Japan. People will notice if you skip it. On the train, keep your phone on silent, no calls, and offer your seat to elderly or pregnant passengers. Avoid rush hour, 7:30 to 9 a.m. and 5:30 to 7:30 p.m., if you can. Use Google Maps in transit mode. Type your destination and it gives you the exact line, platform number, and stop count, updating in real time. Top 3 mistakes every tourist makes. Memorize these before you arrive. Mistake 1. Confusing Tokyo Metro and Toei subway lines. Tokyo has 2 separate metro operators. Your Suica card works on both, but a single trip ticket does not transfer free between them. Always use Suica and you'll never pay a double fare. Mistake 2. Taking the express instead of the local train. Some lines run express, semi-express, and local on the same track. Check the sign above the train doors. Local stops everywhere, express skips stations. When in doubt, take the local. Mistake 3. Leaving from the wrong station exit. Shinjuku has 53 exits. Always check Google Maps for the exact exit number before stepping off the train. It saves 10 to 15 minutes of wandering above ground every single time. And that's everything you need to ride the Tokyo Metro like a local. Suica card, color and number system, let passengers off first, avoid rush hour, and buy your JR pass before you fly. All the links are in the description below. If this helped you prepare for Japan, hit subscribe. Noodle and Navigate posts a new animated Asia travel guide every week. Next up, Japan on a budget, how to do 7 full days in Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka for under $1,000. That video is right here. See you in Japan.